Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a car jumping or car floating effect in After Effects easy and quick. First of all, I will rename my clip to original and then duplicate it. Then rename duplicated one to clean and then make sure to toggle off original layer. Now let's scroll forward where you want jumping effect to start from and cut clean layers beginning. Then scroll forward where you want this effect to end and cut the ending of a clean layer. Now make sure to scroll to the very beginning of a clean layer and then we have to mask out the car. To mask I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha select a pen tool and simply mask car area like this. Once you are done masking, enable perspective and then click on tracking button. As the tracking is done, click on save and then close Mocha AE. Now expand matte and then click on create AE masks. Now press M on your keyboard and change mask mode to subtract. Your clip should look like this. If it's not like that, then just make sure that you have toggled off layers that are below clean layer. Now go to Content Aware Fill tab and click on Create Reference Frame. This will open Photoshop for us. In Photoshop, select a Remove tool and make sure to remove this transparent spot here. Once you are happy with the image, go to File and then click on Save. Now close Photoshop and then before we click on Generate Fill Layer, first make sure to trim your work area to match it clean layer's length. Now under the Content Aware Fill tab, copy my settings and then click on Generate Fill Layer. Let's wait until analyzing is done. Once it's done analyzing and rendering, make sure to bring back the work area to its normal length and then check if the car is removed perfectly. Looks fine to me. Now toggle on original layer and then scroll to the very beginning of a clean layer and then duplicate it. Rename duplicated one to animation and then move it above fill layer. Make sure to delete Mocha AE on it and then press M on your keyboard and remove the mask as well. Now we have to isolate the car from a background. Let's grab a roto brush tool and double click on animation layer. Rotoscope the car as smooth as possible. And once you are done, click on freeze button. As the freezing is done, we can close rotoscoping window and go back to our main composition. Let's press P on your keyboard and then click on position stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Now press R and click on rotation stopwatch icon. Now press U on your keyboard to expand only created keyframes and then scroll forward a bit something like this and let's move position up a bit. Also slightly rotate the car. I think it's enough in my case. Now scroll to the end of an animation layer and then make sure to select position and rotation. Then right click on them and select reset. It will bring them to the default values. First step is ready. It looks a bit weird, but we will fix it. Make sure to select all keyframes and then press F9 on your keyboard to ease them. Then go to Graph Editor. Right click here and select Edit Speed Graph. Now make a smooth curve like mine. Make sure to enable motion blur on animation layer and now we can check the effect. Car jumping or floating effect is done. To make it much more better, we can add shake effects. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.